did you do? Don't you bug me with a cat.
Once again, you fools have been tricked.
It's a fake?
From these canyons, watch as I conquer the world with my air fleet. And this time, you can't stop me.
Drat, a trap to stall for time. Sonic!
Sonic Eggman robot. Sonic! Knuckles! Wait for me!
All life form data successfully copied.
Was this the introduction for Metal Sonic? Frog Forest. I forgot about this level. I think this is my favorite level, besides the casino park. Frog Forest. Let's go. Yes!
Eggman! No way off the hook this time!
Got it.
I forget about all the goofy mechanics of this area. The fruit you can bounce off of? Yes, you can bounce off the fruit. That's your springboard.
Okay. Take this.
Oh wow, this level looks really good. This holds up.
Woohoo!
Fuck yeah, you woohoo.
Leave it to me.
I hear there are frogs here in the jungle that can summon rain.
Got it.
Oh, that's not an enemy. My bad. Sorry, Froggy. What's all this? Oh man, we couldn't get up a little higher. I don't think I've ever done this before. Whoa. This is cool. Am I supposed to be doing something now? I heard a frog.
Let go of the ivy when it reaches the highest point of its swing, okay?
Highest point. Can we bounce off of these things? Oh, you can't climb off these? We got a little rain first, that's why. Did I die? No, get back to the edge! Now we can traverse. Ooh! Yeah, we're not liking the rain, are we? Oh! Shit, man!
Did you guys hear a croak?
I've heard several croaks. We've seen 2 frogs already, you bitch ass. Wow, I'm cursing too much. Just get dead, please. Just die. What's going on here? We're glitching. No. Okay, I don't know. No idea what that happened there. Just get over here. Can we just...
Let's go! Let's go!
hit the thing?
Let's go!
Can we not activate the thing?
Let's go!
Oh, get... Wow, come on!
Let's go! Let's go!
Alright, that's glitching.
Let's go! Let's go!
Got it.
Moving on now.
Here we go.
Why do we have to be Sonic? Get the rings! I want to go forward, not that way. I can't see where I'm going, so I can't see what direction to run in. Oh, yo! I thought we died. There's so many instances of death that I'm seeing, but they just don't pan through, which I'm grateful for. Now what? Is this gonna be a glitched one too? I'm not ever confident that that ring collecting will work. Pressing square to automatically collect rings, and never really works well. A lot of things don't work well in this game. Fuck me in the arse. Sonic?
Hey, this is sweet.
Can I control this thing?
Who'd ever think this thing could float in the air?
I don't know. Are we all glitching now together? You're lagging!
Yes!
Leave it to me.
It's really steep.
We got this.
here.
We got this. We got this.
Hey.
Fuck! Why? Why? Yeah, my same reaction. Where did we save?
Leave it to me.
Is this right?
Let's go.
The camera wants to fail me constantly.
Let's go.
Yes! We may be able to use this flower if
I wonder how we use this flower.
through the window.
Whoa! Damn it, Sonic!
Yes!
You skipped. Whatever.
Whoa! Yes!
Leave it
I
to
am
me.
panicking like crazy.
Really steep here. Be careful.
Keep running and running and running and running. Sonic, Sonic, Sonic. That's all you gotta do. Keep running and running and running and running.
Got it.
Leave it to me. Let's go.
Oh!
Let's go.
What are you doing? Stop moving!
Look at all those
Like ice capades, man.
robots.
I'll take care of them.
Yay.
Got it. Kick this. Kick this. Kick this. Kick this. Kick this. Yeah.
No! No! Why do you move like that, Knuckles?
Leave it to me.
Alright. Let's do this again.
Let's go.
Did I just waste a life? I was trying to speed run.
Leave it to me.
Bounce? Now I'm being too careful.
Let's go.
All right. We may be able to use this flower if Sonic can.
Oh, Sonic, what'd you do? I can jump whenever I want, though. That's good to know.
Who'd ever think this thing could float in the air?
Fall somewhere? Fall somewhere nice! No!
No!
Damn it, I was trying to do a shortcut again.
Leave it to me. Let's go.
Just fall!
Let's go.
What are you doing the dumb things for?
All
Let's
right.
go. This flower may turn using Sonic's tornado jump.
Can I control this thing while I'm around here?
Falling.
Just fall faster.
Leave it to me.
Be careful not to fall.
Let's go.
He just said be careful. Fuck you!
Here we go.
Let's go.
What's with the early 2000s anime music? You know, that is exactly what this is, though.
Look at all those Eggman robots.
I'll take care of them.
Got it.
Alright, Knuckles, be fucking careful. You like to just jump around like an idiot and fall off the edge.
Get it.
Kick this. Kick this.
Not bad.
Thank you.
Leave it to me. Lovely.
Can this frog rain already, please?
Let's go.
I don't care about them coins. Who cares?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Christ. God damn it! This is so stupid! What was that for? Just 5 fucking coins? Okay. This game is terrific. No complaints. What are you doing for me right now? That's what you're doing for me. You're just taking forever.
There's that flower again.
Should we use it to fly again?
No, let's just eat it.
What a sight!
Just do your thing, shut the fuck up.
Mushrooms on my island too, but not this huge.
Where's Knuckles from?
Yes!
You just said my island? I don't know Sonic lore that well. Sonic lore. Sornic. I don't know what I'm trying to say.
Leave it to me.
We're not going there, are we? Yes, we are!
Let's go.
Come on, be careful. Yes!
Got it!
Careful. Barely, barely, barely. You can't say Yahoo like that. Who do you think you are? Your rival?
Got it!
Leave it to me.
Level up!
We didn't get those rings? I would... Whatever. Whatever.
Look, there's a frog over there.
What's the frog gonna do for me? Nothing. Careful, Tails.
All right!
How fucking goofy Tails looks. This legit sounds like... This music legit sounds like Dragon Ball Z Kai music. Specifically Kai. But that was like, what, 2000... Late 2000s? Early 2010s? Right there. It's right there. Stop this nonsense! Oh, fucking frog. Shocker.
Maybe we can grind on it.
No, don't. Pause. Frog, frog, hello. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Just don't fall off, and we're good. This is weird to be watching. I feel like I'm riding Shenron right now. I'm Goku at the end of GT. We're gonna take a giant nap and not die and go to heaven. That wasn't the metaphor, was it? Shit, bro, you're taking on a long time to extend. Camera, can you please show me where I'm going? Oh, we're going to the end goal. If I died right there, I've been so pissed!
All right.
Woo! Alright, yeah! Let's get that E! E for Eggman! But he's the enemy. Oh, shut up. A total score of... an A!
Just
That
enough
rhymes with
to
A.
pass.
E rhymes with A, right? E, A, E, A, E, I, E, I, O. $13. Woo. Alright, there's more jungle. I know this. Venture through the deepest part of the jungle. This is the best part of the jungle, I think.
You sure it's safe around
Yeah,
here?
this is what convinced me that this might be a real game when I was a kid. I was wrong still, but this felt the most fleshed out area.
There they are.
Eggman's robots.
I forgot about this.
Sonic.
We have to wait till he spins and then. We got him, we got him, we got him.
Got it. Take this. Take this.
When he spins, we spin, and that's how we do this.
Take this. Take this.
Fuck, we had the chance! Well, Knuckles sucks!
Take this. Take this.
God damn you, Knuckles!
Level up. Let's go. Whee! Level up.
More things over here.
Here we go. Take this.
What are you doing all this extra shit for?
Leave it to me. Let's whee! All right. Let's go. Whee!
All right.
Let's
We have shield now? What is this?
Let go of the ivy when it reaches the highest point of its swing.
Do we
okay?
already not know this?
Be careful of the rain that black frog can summon.
Wait, there's a black frog now?
Let's go. Yay! Yay! Yay!
Yeah, we're gonna skip all this. I don't think we can skip all this. I'm trying to go over there. That's just background decoration. Fuck you!
Some powerful ring.
They're all dead.
I can't see where I'm going! Please, camera! Wow, this is diabolical how bad this camera is right now. Alright, so much for all that extra shit I was looking at before.
Got it.
Wow, I can't. I cannot with this camera. really worth 20 coins? It's not. It's not. Are there any items worth it, to be honest? Why did that happen? What the fuck?
Let's go!
On the rail, please. Ah, you son of a monster. We're going to ignore the giant golem.
Hey, there's that black frog again.
Is there any way to avoid the frog? Whoa, whoa, whoa! Mister! Out of my way! Out of my way!
Let's go up there.
Let's go! Hey! Let's go! Let's go!
Tails, relax, relax, relax.
Let's go!
Got it. Take this.
Yeah, miss the fucking box. Every box. Just miss every box. Yeah.
All right.
Leave it to me. Hey!
What the fuck? Okay.
We're not going there, are we?
You said it's ready.
Yes, we are.
Gotta go fast. Yeah.
Let's go!
Yeah, yeah, no. The coins don't matter. Ignore all of them. Yeah, sure.
Let's go!
How? No, all right, we got it. We're done.
It's really steep here. Be careful. All right.
Yay!
I'll take care of them.
Take this. Take
Why are you? What the fuck?
Take this. Take this.
Leave it to me. Yay! Yay!
Got it. Take this. Take this.
And Sonic gets a level up for that.
Did you guys hear a croak?
I did.
Leave it to me.
There's the croak. Come on, Coca-Cola. Enjoy the show. Plenty of rain going on. Nice. Don't fall off again.
Let's go!
Who needs any of that bonus stuff?
That fruit can take out the enemies.
Let's go! Yeah!
We can avoid the black frogs.
Let's go!
Hell yeah. Who needs them?
Yeah!
Where we going?
There's that black frog again. Shoot.
Leave it to me. Yay!
Level up.
We lost Knuckles. Who cares? I care about that though.
Let's go! Let's go! Yay!
Bounty? Careful, Tails. What the? Oh, I did not even see we're on a line now. Okay. Uh-oh. What the fudge? What did I mess up now? Is Knuckles like gone for good?
Let's go! Dave!
Damn, I should have went and rescued Knuckles. I didn't know he's going to be gone for like the whole level now. They usually pop back in after a while.
Hey, there they are. Here we go.
Leave it to me.
Alright, I'm desperate. Let's do this. Team Blast! I was trying to save this for something dire. But Knuckles disappeared on me, so I got very desperate. And Knuckles is back! I had 100 coins on me, man. It's a save point. That's all I care about.
Here we go. Take this.
I think we may have some control over the blower going up and down.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Shaw.
Sure! That's not fair! That's not fair! What the hell? The camera was completely shot there!
Yes. Yes. Shaw. Got it. Take this. Take this.
Leave it to me. Dave. Dave.
Got it. Take this. Take this. Take this.
God damn it! There's more to fight? I wish I could see!
Leave it to me. Let's go.
Be careful not to fall.
Thanks, Sonic.
Let's go. Let's go.
I'm guessing. I really need to look at the rating, the reviews for this game.
Got it.
Leave it to me.
Okay.
This doesn't help that I'm lagging also.
Let's go.
Where am I supposed to go? Where am I supposed to go?
Got it. Take this. Take this.
Make it rain, baby!
Take this. Okay.
Leave it to me.
Come on, make it rain. Make it rain! Please! The perspective is so wonky on this goddamn game.
Let's go.
And the camera wants to be a little bitch ass. Why are you sliding her around for? Truly hate this goddamn mechanics, everything about this game.
There's that black frog again.
Made it, you bitch. Fuck you. Whatever. A halfway point. Run, frog, rain. Pretty please? Is the ending near? I don't want more of this. I really don't want more of this. Is there any way I could just fall? Just keep going. If I fall and die, I'll be so pissed. What's over here? What's this thing?
Yeah.
For 5 coins. Where? Oh my god, I thought we were going to get killed.
There's that black frog again.
I can't see where I'm going, peoples.
Hurry.
I can't see! What the fuck? Alright. Truly horrible gameplay right now. Truly, truly, truly horrible game.
Alright. Let's go.
What the fuck? I'm flying! Why did it stop?
Leave it to me.
We got this. I don't know why I'm getting frustrated for. Again, I'm wasting life. I'm wasting lives. I'm wasting lives. I'm wasting lives here.
Leave it to me.
The camera wants to be horrible. Absolutely horrible.
Let's go.
Oh! Why did I do that?
Leave it to me.
Slow and steady. Slow and steady. Why did I do this again? Get on the railing, please. Oh my god. Okay, okay, okay.
There's that black frog again.
They're trying to take us down to the swamp. Hurry.
Oh, there's a crocodile. Woo!
That was close.
Yeah. Yeah, it was. Literally holding my breath.
All right.
There we go. The end of that level. Woo! Okay. Now, I need to catch my breath after that. Let's get a rating. Come on. Oh, there's an F. I can give myself an F. Let's go.
Better.
Yeah, we died so many times because you're a bitch ass, Tails. Because of you. I blame you, Tails. Alright, let's finish this jungle area. The boss battle next, right? I assume? Oh, it's Keanu Reeves!
It's that hedgehog.
Wonder what the big rush is all about. Bet you those guys will end up getting in my way and making trouble.
Hey, isn't that...
Sonic.
Why are we so slow-mo right now?
Talk about being stubborn and full of surprises.
Long time no see, boys. Too bad you had to come all this way for nothing. We'll
How is she supposed to be a bat?
What'd you
How?
say?
How is that a bat?
Sensors locked on Eggman. Non-compliant intrusion.
She has wings. Yeah, but bats. Do bats have fur? Am I dumb?
Didn't you know? We have a date with Eggman too.
Is that so? Well then, it'll be a date to die for.
Oh, oh.
That's my line.
Yeah, but he said it in slow-mo, and you're all about being fast, Sonic. So it's kind of his own thing now. If the screen wants to load.
What was with that hedgehog that looked like my twin?
This slow-mo is kind of killing me. Fuck it, it's charming.
Not the best way to greet those you haven't seen in a while.
Not really fucking with this.
Alright.
Oh, there's an original song for this? Good thing there's a lag right now, because I think that's what's keeping me from copyright. Get up, I need a coin. Come on, let's kill them before there's like a copyright claim with this music, which I'm afraid of.
Not bad, but I
Oh!
can't let you win.
We win! Fuck you, Team Dark. Goodbye. Alright, that was kind of cool. Except for the lag, but whatever. And our official ranking for that is going to be S rank, right? Give me that blue S for Sonic. I fucking saw that. They gave me an A and took it away real quick and gave me a B. That was a red A.